In the last video, I showed you how to make a salinometer using clay. Now this video is going to be about how to mark it, so you know the salinometer, so you know the salt percentages when you put in a solution. Now to start, you need to grab your newly made salinometer and put it in distilled water, which can be seen here. Now distilled water is the only way to measure this because it's clear of any impurities that could skew the results of your salinometer. Now this has no salt in it at first, so once you've gotten your salinometer in there, I need you to mark a line which will be your 0% mark. You have to wait for it to stop bobbing around. Alright, and top. There we go. We have a little mark. It's the 0% line. Let it cool down. We'll put it back. There we go. It's a little messy. There it is. That works. That's 0%. Now after you jotted down your 0% line, you're gonna remove the salinometer, pour out the salt, pour out the water, and get it to an amount where you can add salt to make it equivalent to 10% of the solution. In this case, I will be using 200 milliliters. So as you can see here, we have salt, which we will need to turn this into a 10% salt solution. Now I'm going to pour it in this beaker just to make it easier when I'm pouring it, so I'm not pouring it from the bag straight out. Alright, so in this one you have to be incredibly careful because it's tedious. I'm trying to get it up to here at the 200 milliliter line. So I have to carefully pour it in. Okay. Where is it? The line's right there. All right. This is very tedious. There it is. Keep going. No, not there yet. There. Now as you can see, it's up to the 200% line, meaning this is technically a 10% salt solution, but we have some dissolved down here. We have some gathered up down here, so we have to dissolve it, which means it's going to take a while. Okay. All right, so we've had we fully dissolved the salt water, which means this is now 10% salt solution. So now we put our clay bob in, and as you can see, it's floating. This is primarily due to the density having changed. Hold on, wait, let me remove these air bubbles. That's odd. All right, so as you can see here, I can't very well reach down here and mark it. It's too deep. So in this case, we're going to use a very ingenious mechanism. We're going to put the straw down here, match it with the water level. Right, it's matched, and we're going to mark where it meets this straw. Right. There it's touching. No, not there. There we go. Marked. Now we're going to drag this out, and we're going to level it up with the mark. Remove this. So that's where it was, and so now let me mark it to the second one. Okay, so we measured the gap between the 10% and the 0% line, and we found out that it was roughly equal to 3 centimeters. So we realized through some mathematics over here that each gap